Saturday, May 24th, Seaside Park Ocean updates. Water temperature this morning is 55.7. Air temperature is 49. If you're choosing between a hooded 5 mil and a 3.2 today, I'd probably say go with the 5 mil because you kind of need it. Horseshoe crab. Yeah, big question. What are the waves doing? There's definitely still waves in the water. Just shooting. The tide is too high right now. Size-wise, I'm gonna say it's up. It looks 2 to 3.5 foot. But again, I can't really tell until it starts breaking, which it's not breaking right now. Just going by my instinct. We definitely have leftovers. Look at that. Come on, break. Come on. Oh yeah, it is gonna be on. Give it a few hours and it's go time. That's the update.